looking today and, in the world, people use certain terms like patriarchy, misogyny, and they want to tap and they want to indoctrinate and they want to mislead a woman. For the record, we need to understand there's a distinction between authority and superiority. Authority doesn't equate superiority. I have authority over my son. That doesn't make me superior to him. لِلرِّجَالِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبُوا وَلِلنِّسَاءِ نَصِيبٌ مِّمَّا اكْتَسَبْنَ. Now appreciate the beauty of the Qur'an and how it is unpacked in every regard. When Adam and Hawa were taken out of paradise, alayhima min Allahi as-salatu wa taslim, then Allah had forewarned our father Adam that the devil is your enemy. فَلَا يُخْرِجَنَّكُمَا مِنَ الْجَنَّةِ فَتَشْقَى. Don't let him expel you from paradise. Reflect over the words. Allah said, "O Adam, if the devil expels you people from paradise, and then you and your wife arrive on earth," chapter 20, Surah Taha, "you will have a lot of difficulty, not your wife." Fatashqa, not fatashqiya. You can read the whole academic write-up in Mariful Quran. Allah didn't use a dual phrase. Allah didn't use a dual expression. Allah said, فَلَا يُخْرِجَنَّكُمَا مِنَ الْجَنَّةِ. Let him not expel you from paradise. فَتَشْقَى. Then Allah spoke about the 4 bounties that were the primary source of livelihood for every person, right? And today we know what a tithe is in, like I keep on talking in my marriage talks, they say to a healthy marriage is not only about being 50-50, but it's also about being thrifty. And I think that's the challenge today. You have too much month left at the end of your wage. You have too much month, like it's only the 10th of the month. You've got 20 days of the month left and oops, salary is gone. So it's all about being thrifty, and it's not only about being 50-50. The secret to a happy marriage is not to wed the perfect partner, but to love the imperfect partner perfectly well. Anyway, that's by the way, and we always need to hear these things to keep us inspired and motivated, because there's this marriage itch, if that's the right word. After a few years, you just start itching. You become restless to explore, to venture, to experiment, to check, just to find out, platonic only, and then whatever happens beyond. إِنَّ لَكَ أَلَّا تَجُوعَ فِيهَا وَلَا تَعْرَى وَأَنَّكَ لَا تَظْمَأُ فِيهَا وَلَا تَضْحَى. That in Jannah food was available, drink was available, food was available, shelter was available. As a Muslim woman, by the definition of the Qur'an, these 4 bounties that were made available and privileged to you in paradise, by the expression of the Qur'an, you will remain in that heavenly state on earth, because it would be the responsibility of the male around you as the protector and the guardian to provide this for you with respect and dignity.